Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will compare three smartphones: the Samsung Galaxy J3 2016, Galaxy J5 2016, and Galaxy J7 2016. Let's talk about the design first. The Galaxy J3 2016 comes with a removable rear cover with faux leather finish. It features high quality plastic frame on the edges. Both Galaxy J5 and J7 2016 have similar design. They look identical in style but differ in size. They feature plastic bag with brushed metal finish and metal frame along the edges. The rear panels of the phones are removable and house removable batteries. All the three devices look very similar in terms of design, but Galaxy J5 and J7 2016 seem to have an edge over the J3 as they come with metal frame along the edges, which gives them a premium look. Now display. All the three phones feature HD Super AMOLED displays with 720p resolution, but with varying sizes. The Galaxy J3 2016 features a 5-inch display, while J7 and J5 come with 5.5-inch and 5.2-inch displays respectively. Despite featuring displays with same resolution, the Galaxy J5 and J7 2016 have better sharpness and brightness compared to the Galaxy J3 2016. Moving on to camera department, the Galaxy J3 2016 sports an 8 megapixel primary camera with LED flash and a 5 megapixel front shooter. Other two smartphones, that is Galaxy J5 and J7 2016, sport a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash and a 5 megapixel front camera with single LED flash. The Galaxy J7 and J3 2016 come with an additional HDR mode which is not available in J5 2016. Although images taken with all the three phones are impressive, yet the images captured with Galaxy J7 2016 have more sharpness and produce natural colors. The Galaxy J3 2016 also takes decent shots but not as good as the Galaxy J5 and J7 2016. The Galaxy J3 2016 can shoot up to 720p videos, while the other two phones support up to 1080p videos. Next is hardware and performance. The Galaxy J3 2016 is powered by a 1.3 GHz quad-core Spectrum SC8830 processor coupled with 1.5 GB of RAM. The Galaxy J3 is moderately loaded and plays low to moderate level games with ease, but it may not be able to handle heavy games with ease. It is not a gaming phone and it scores around 26,000 points on AnTuTu benchmarks. The Galaxy J5 2016 comes with a 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 410 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM, while Galaxy J7 2016 packs a 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7870 processor clubbed with 2 GB of RAM. On testing these phones on AnTuTu benchmarks, we got scores of around 27,500 for J5 2016 and around 45,000 points for J7 2016. The performance of both J5 and J7 2016 smartphones is comparable, but at times the J7 seems more powerful, which may be due to the Exynos processor. So in performance department, the Galaxy J7 2016 impresses us with its seamless gaming and multitasking performance. Now storage. The Galaxy J3 2016 houses 8 GB of internal memory, while other two phones come with 16 GB of inbuilt storage. All three smartphones support expandable storage up to 128 GB using microSD card. On software front, the Galaxy J7 and J5 2016 run Android Marshmallow, while Galaxy J3 2016 runs Android Lollipop operating system wrapped under TouchWiz UI. All the three devices come with an S-Bike mode that turns the phone into a biker's phone to avoid distraction. If this feature is enabled, then any call that the user will receive while riding a bike will automatically go on interactive voice response and tell the caller to leave a message as the user is riding the bike. This feature avoids distraction of the bikers due to incoming calls and helps them to concentrate on the road. All the three phones support USB OTG. Now, battery and connectivity options. The Galaxy J3 2016 is backed up by a 2600 mAh battery. Since it comes with a moderate processor and moderate GPU, the battery should be able to survive for up to 1 day. The Galaxy J5 and J7 2016 are fueled by 3100 mAh and 3300 mAh batteries respectively, which should offer up to 1 day of usage. Apart from dual SIM support, all the three phones offer 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC as connectivity options. Now pricing. The Galaxy J3 2016 is the cheapest of the lot as it carries a price tag of Rs 8,990. The Galaxy J5 2016 is priced at Rs 13,990 and J7 2016 is priced at Rs 15,990. All the three phones are a good buy for those looking for a device that offers decent features and ensures their safety while riding on road. The Galaxy J3 2016 is a decent phone in sub Rs 9000 price range, but you may find it disappointing if you're looking for a phone for gaming. By shelling out some extra money, you can buy Galaxy J5 2016 that offers better specs and features. The Galaxy J7 2016 is the most expensive of the lot, but the price tag is justified considering the rich display quality, great camera capabilities, and smooth performance that it offers. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.